After spending 3 long years overseas, I was excited to return home to my family's peaceful, $4 million lakefront property. That cabin had been in our family for generations, built by my grandfather himself. But the moment I turned onto the familiar dirt road, something felt off. There were signs everywhere, big red ones that read "No trespassing," and private property residents only. A massive electronic gate blocked the path where our simple wooden fence used to be. My jaw dropped when I saw a keypad and a metal intercom. I pressed the button, expecting maybe a caretaker to answer. Instead, a robotic voice demanded, "Please enter your resident access code." I laughed out loud. Resident access code? What was this? A country club? Then I noticed my elderly neighbors standing by the gate, clutching a $50 bill each. "She's charging us just to visit our grandkids at the lake," one of them whispered. "She?" I asked. They pointed toward a hill, and that's when I saw her. A woman in a floral dress and designer sunglasses, racing down the slope in a shiny golf cart like she owned the place. When she reached the gate, she jumped off, heels clicking, and started shouting, "You can't just show up here without permission. This is Willowbrook Estates now." "Willowbrook what?" I asked, trying not to laugh. "Lady, this is my family's land." She crossed her arms. "Not anymore. I bought it at auction last year. I've invested over $200,000 upgrading this community. If you want access, you'll need to register as a guest and pay the entrance fee like everyone else." I felt my blood boil. "You mean the $2,000 electronic gate? The fake stone pillars? The cameras pointed at my cabin?" Her lips tightened. "Security measures. People like you," she glanced at my dusty pickup, "tend to lower property values." I couldn't believe it. My grandfather's humble dirt road, where we used to fish and roast marshmallows, had been turned into a private estate by this lunatic woman who thought she owned the entire lakefront. "Listen," I said, "this land was never for sale. You can't just fence it off and start charging people." She smirked. "Then prove it." And that's when I decided I would. Over the next week, I dug through every record I could find, deeds, old tax receipts, even my grandfather's handwritten notes. Turns out the auction she claimed to have won was fraudulent. Someone had illegally listed the property after a clerical mistake marked it as abandoned. When I showed the county office the proof, they revoked her fake ownership immediately. The next morning, I drove back down the dirt road. The gate was gone. The signs were gone. And that woman? So was she. My neighbors waved as I passed. "Welcome home," they said. Finally, the lakefront was ours again.